We think of all three of those aspects as really important to be able to build up a future workforce. And at the heart of all three of them is really a data core.
Artificial intelligence is practically ruling this world. We see AI in voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, as well as self-driving cars, becoming increasingly a part of our daily lives. However, as AI advances, people are concerned about what it means for job opportunities. In this video, we'll discuss the possible impact of AI on employment and the ongoing conversation about whether AI will replace human workers. So, if you're interested in knowing how AI might affect the future of work and if your job could be at risk, keep watching as we explore the question, will AI replace human employees? There are two perspectives to consider regarding the impact of robots and AI on jobs. Some believe they will replace certain human jobs, while others argue they will create new employment opportunities. What do you guys think? In the past, robots and automation systems have already replaced about 1.7 million manufacturing jobs. However, it is predicted that AI will create around 97 million new jobs by 2025. Not everyone agrees that robots and AI will have such a significant impact. Sean Chu, the former CEO of AI startup Catalytic, is skeptical and argues that robots are not intelligent. He points to videos on platforms like YouTube that showcase robot failures as evidence to support his viewpoint. However, it's important to note that Chu's skepticism doesn't mean the advancements in robotics and AI aren't happening. He suggests that progress is slower than the media often portrays, which can be seen as a positive development for those concerned about job security. According to an investment bank Goldman Sachs report, AI can potentially replace approximately 300 million full-time jobs, accounting for a significant portion of work tasks in the United States and Europe. However, along with job displacement, new job opportunities and increased productivity are also possible. The report emphasizes that generative AI, which can produce content virtually indistinguishable from human work, is a significant advancement in the field. This development suggests that AI technology could contribute to a 7% increase in the total annual value of global goods and services produced. While concerns about job displacement exist, the report also recognizes the potential for AI to create new job opportunities and drive overall economic growth. According to the Forbes Technology Council, a group of senior-level tech executives, several professions are expected to be completely automated within the next 5 to 10 years. This includes professions like insurance underwriting, warehouse and manufacturing jobs, customer service, research and data entry, long-haul trucking, and various job functions under any tasks that can be learned. The potential for automation in these areas indicates significant changes in the job market, highlighting the importance of individuals adapting to the evolving landscape of technology and skill requirements. The UK government aims to promote investment in AI, believing that it will enhance economic productivity rather than replace jobs. Technology Secretary Michelle Donnellan assures the public that AI will improve our work by complementing it. A recent report highlights the influence of AI will vary across different sectors. It suggests that approximately 46% of administrative and 44% of legal tasks could be automated. However, only 6% of construction and 4% of maintenance tasks have the same potential for automation. BBC News reports that some artists have expressed concerns about AI image generators impacting their job opportunities. The impact of generative AI on employment remains uncertain. Experts caution against making definitive predictions since the technology's evolution and integration into work processes are still unknown. However, historical experiences with technological advancements have shown that rapid changes can displace workers faster than new jobs are created. In the short term, generative AI could lead to a reduction in employment. Yet, the long-term effects are highly uncertain, and predictions should be cautiously approached. Torsten Bell, CEO of the Resolution Foundation, an economic think tank, emphasizes the importance of considering potential benefits like increased productivity and cost-effective services and the risk of falling behind if firms and economies fail to adapt to technological changes effectively. In a 2018 essay, AI expert and Taiwanese computer scientist Kai-Fu Lee predicted that within 15 years, 50% of all jobs would be automated by AI. He mentioned professions such as accountants, factory workers, truckers, paralegals, and radiologists as examples of jobs that could face disruption similar to what farmers experienced during the Industrial Revolution. Various studies, including those by McKinsey Global Institute, Oxford University, and the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, indicate that significant changes due to AI are inevitable. Both specialized workers and blue-collar workers are likely to be impacted by the ongoing implementation of AI. The development of generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard have raised concerns about the impact on writing-related jobs. While AI may not match human creativity, it is already used to generate ideas and assist with repetitive writing tasks. Writing standard emails, creating social media posts, and responding to customer service requests can now be handled by AI writing tools or chatbots. In some cases, AI generates a first draft that a human can edit. AI has also made advancements in art and design, creating valuable artwork. AI art generators like Midjourney and DALL-E are gaining popularity. The impact of AI-generated art on artists and designers varies. Some see it as a tool, while others perceive it as a threat. While many believe AI will not achieve the same artistic recognition as human artists, fields like graphic design and commercial art may be affected as AI tools become more sophisticated in following specific design prompts. While AI will certainly bring changes to the future of work, there are multiple theories about the nature of that change. Not all predictions are pessimistic. Many suggest positive outcomes and opportunities in the evolving work landscape. Certain industries, such as writing, social work, criminal defense law, teaching, and AI training engineering, will continue to rely on human workers. AI may advance and assist in these fields, but cannot replicate the empathy and social intelligence essential for success. For example, educators can use AI to understand students' progress and abilities, but teachers excel at understanding individual interests and providing mentorship. Similarly, while AI content generators can assist writers, they still have limitations regarding the accuracy and the potential for misinformation, making them unlikely to replace human writers. Kai-Fu Lee identifies 4 fundamental weaknesses of AI that prevent it from taking over certain jobs. These weaknesses include challenges in complex strategic planning, tasks requiring precise hand-eye coordination, dealing with unknown and unstructured situations, and utilizing empathy. Additionally, there will be ongoing demand for human workers to help adapt to a world with increased AI presence. Technology adoption requires a significant human workforce to ensure that it reduces workloads rather than increasing them. Chu provides an example using video games. In the past, a single dedicated individual could create a game and release it as shareware after a few months of work. However, game development now involves a team of professionals, including voice actors, designers, and advanced physics, along with a multi-million-dollar budget, resembling the efforts of a movie studio. This example illustrates how technological advancements have increased the involvement of human workers, rather than diminishing it. Amazon, a company known for its automation and use of robots in its warehouses, has announced the Upskilling 2025 program. This initiative aims to retain 1/3 of its 300,000 U.S. workforce, while investing $700 million in voluntary training. The goal is to equip employees with skills applicable to technical roles inside and outside of Amazon. In the age of AI, there are certain skills that individuals should focus on to thrive. These include mathematics, effective communication, creativity, people management, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem solving. While some may view Amazon's retraining program as skeptical or impractical, there is value in pursuing additional education. Experts suggest that surviving and succeeding in an AI-powered world includes several approaches. Individuals are advised to avoid jobs easily replaceable by machines and lack fulfillment. Focusing on fundamental skills becomes crucial. Communication skills, emotional understanding, questioning abilities, clear writing, and presenting coherent arguments are difficult for machines to replicate. These skills will always be in demand as long as humans exist. Instead of dwelling on cynicism, focusing on proactive steps individuals can take to thrive in an AI-powered world is more productive. Cultivating essential skills like effective communication, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence remains highly valuable, as human expertise excels in these areas. It is important to recognize that AI is a tool that can enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. By embracing the possibilities offered by AI, individuals can adapt and contribute in new and meaningful ways. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, we can navigate the changing work landscape and seize the opportunities presented by AI to create a future where humans and machines collaborate for the benefit of society. Thank you for watching this video.